Hello students, how are you? Welcome to YouTube channel of Akshar Education. In this video we are going to discuss another most important theorem of this chapter number 6, that is converse of Pythagoras theorem. What is the converse of Pythagoras theorem? For that we have to understand the statement of Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that in right angle triangle, square of hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of two sides making the right angle. This is Pythagoras theorem. Now converse theorem states that if in triangle, if square of one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides, then we can say that the angle opposite to the first side is right angle. Done. That means you have to prove that the given triangle is a right angle triangle if the sum of square of two side is equal to square of third side. Done. So this is converse of Pythagoras theorem. In exam it may be asked, state and prove converse of Pythagoras theorem. So in that case you have to write this statement and you have to prove this the theorem. Done. So theorem 6.9, in triangle square of one side is equal to sum of the square of other two sides, then we have to prove that angle opposite to that first side is right angle. So first we are doing figure. So we are given one triangle. The triangle is triangle ABC. Done. So in triangle ABC given, let's start with the given. So here we are given that in triangle, that is in triangle ABC, square of one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So square of one side, that is AC square is equal to sum of square of other two sides, AB square plus BC square. This is given. Done. Now to prove, what we have to prove? If in triangle square of one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides, then angle opposite to that first side, this is first side, so angle opposite to that first side is angle B. Angle B is right angle. So prove that angle B is equal to 90. Measure of angle B is 90 degree. Angle B is right angle. This we have to prove. Now for this proof of this theorem, we will do some construction. So we have to mention that construction also. So what is the construction? So here construction is one right angle triangle PQR. So draw one triangle, or you can say right angle triangle PQR, which is right angle at Q, and measure of this side PQ is equal to side AB, and measure of this side QR is equal to BC. Done. That is our construction. So draw a triangle PQR. Right angle at Q. And condition, this is isosceles right angle triangle. So right angle at Q, so measure of this angle Q is 90 degree, and this PQ, measure of this side PQ is equal to this AB, and measure of this side QR is equal to this side BC. Done. So we have to draw one, not an isosceles triangle, so we have to draw one right angle triangle in which side PQ is equal to side AB and side QR is equal to side BC, not isosceles. My mistake. So this is our construction. Clear students? What we have done? Given triangle ABC is given, we have to prove that this angle is 90 degree, and for that we are drawing another right angle triangle in which measure of angle Q is 90 degree measure of this side is equal to this side AB, and measure of this side QR is equal to BC. Done? Now our proof. Let's start with the proof of this theorem. Now consider this triangle PQR. So in triangle PQR, angle Q is equal to 90 degree, and hence this is right angle triangle, so we can apply Pythagoras theorem. So by Pythagoras theorem we can say that square of the hypotenuse, that is PR square of the hypotenuse is equal to sum of square of other two sides, that means PQ square and QR square, उसका एडिशन करना है. So PR square equal to PQ square plus QR square. This PQ square plus QR square equal to, we can write PQ equal to AB, because in construction we have taken PQ equal to AB. So replace this PQ with AB, and hence we can write PQ square equal to AB square. PQ square equal to AB square. And similarly this QR, length of this QR is equal to BC by our construction. So QR square equal to BC square by construction. Done? And now this is equal to AB square plus BC square. This is equal to AC square, that is given. AB square plus BC square equal to AC square is given in our statement. In right angle triangle, square of the one side is equal to sum of square of other two sides. This is given. So now students, we can write PR square equal to AC square, and therefore PR equal to AC. PR equal to AC. Say this one as a result number 1. PR equal to AC. Done? Now I am taking these two triangles ABC and PQR. Now in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, in these two triangles we can say that AB equal to PQ. In these two triangles, side AB is equal to side PQ. Side AB is equal to side PQ by construction. And side BC equal to side QR. Side BC equal to side QR. That is also by using construction. In our construction we have mentioned these two sides are equal, and also we can say that this AC equal to PR. AC equal to PR, that is from result number 1. AC equal to PR. This AC will be equal to this side PR. So in short, in triangle ABC and triangle PQR, AB is equal to PQ, first result, BC equal to QR, second result, and AC equal to PR, third result. All three corresponding sides are equal, and therefore we can say that triangle ABC is congruent to triangle PQR. ABC is congruent to triangle PQR by which rule? Side congruence criteria. So by side congruence criteria, we can say that these two triangles are congruent triangle. Done? And if two triangles are congruent triangles, their all corresponding parts are equal. And therefore these two corresponding angles are equal. So we can say that angle B equal to angle Q by CP-CT. Corresponding parts of these two congruent triangles are equal. So angle Q equal to angle B, and here measure of angle Q is 90 degree, and therefore this angle B is also 90 degree. Angle B is also 90 degree, that is a right angle. That is the right angle. Done. So hence we prove our theorem. Done. So this is converse of Pythagoras theorem. Dear students, the most important theorem of this chapter. Done. So now pause this video and note it down. And students, please share this video with your friends. Thank you.